I feel nauseous, believe me. Never.
I'm planning on working out 7 days a week. So if you wanna go to gym and get serious with it, you can come with me. You can start with
I
it.
had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up.
What subs do I use? Oh, yeah. I use this. It has creatine. It has creatine and it has whatever, man.
So they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me.
Oh, yeah. If you want to start going to the gym, but you're scared of anyone's judgment, whatever, man, it's simple. I'm going to be judged for what I'm doing right now. Why am I not hunting? Why am I not playing guitar? Whatever. It's simple. You judge it. I live.
And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for.
You better live the best life so that you can give any and everyone the best, what's this thing called? Something to judge, like give them the best film to judge. So let's say, fuck it, let's go.
Believe me, take into your hands a plan, your own hands can.
Vitamin C, and I also fast 16 hours. So I do the 16-8 and I'm only able to get 2 meals in the 8-hour period. So I have 2 meals a day. And
to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower.
So that's how we worked out. That's how I work.
Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and